Houston, let's go for launch.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Brain? What you gonna do, dickhead? Fucking move! Fuck off, idiot!
How dare you!
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one fad away from being retro.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one drug away from liking techno.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one glasses a pair from dyslexia.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia.
You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck You're only one download from this song's copyright. You're only one Tim Tam away from cellulite. You're only one phone call from Captain in the Aussie side. You're only one lifestyle show from suicide. You're only one station from John Lord shit. You're only one lobotomy from believing it. You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck You're only 5 yards from a fuck
You're only one tabloid press from a lynch mob.
You're only one acting role from a real job.
You're only one strip of flesh from your bones.
You're only one species away from Alan Jones.
You're only one small speck in space.
You're only one life soon erased.
Be there none left on earth but you.
One thing will still remain true.
Look around.
You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck
I drank the slug that Bob got drunk. I injected some of Hendrix junk. I booked the seal and skin and spleen. Rubber gas and sandwich. I ate the same.
Now I'm bored, now I'm bored, now I'm bored. There's no stopping. Now I'm bored, now I'm bored, now I'm bored. There's no stopping.
one's on, it'll be Michael Jackson.
I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug to kill River Phoenix. I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug, I'm on the drug to kill River Phoenix.
One eternity later.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
South Australia,
Yeah.
we could have been booked, technically. But the chances are, if the coppers had decided to pull me over, oh, what's the matter, precious? Fuck it, yeah, you can rev your engine, mate, in Adelaide. That's
Yeah.
where we're heading for.
Look out, here it comes. It's
Yeah.
a moron. Go on then, go, 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 and your little red whatever dickhead thing it is. Oh my God. Now he's going to turn left? No?
No, but he knows I just bloody tagged him. Fucking wanker.
Bad things. There's a lot of bad things.
The way you be moaning, gripping the sheet, looking at me, cause every woman just wanna be happy, and it's great.
Feeling like 10 times lighter, and I want to say thank you for showing me why you know me.
Oi! What the fuck are you doing, you fucking idiot?
Idiota. Foss.
Stop breathing!
you?
An idiot sandwich.
You know why I pulled you over?
Here goes. I sped. I followed too closely. I ran a stop sign. I almost hit a Chevy. I sped some more. I failed to yield at a crosswalk. I changed lanes in the intersection. I changed lanes without signaling while running a red light and speeding!